Watching this video, that's great news because you have a closing. We're going to go through this step-by-step guide of how to get your commission as soon as possible after closing. So stay with us. So congratulations on getting that commission. So we're going to go through the step-by-step guide of how to request to accounting your closing commission. We don't deal with checks here at ASHMONT Realty. That is so old school. We do quick turnaround. We really pride ourselves that you can have your commission within 24 to 48 hours after your closing. So what we're going to do, first to get started, go to ashmontrealtors.com, and we're going to go to the agent dashboard that you're really familiar with. So go ahead and log into your account, and what we're going to be looking for, okay, is the agent dashboard. Now, once you come to the agent dashboard, we're going to be looking for the piggy bank, right? Because you're getting your commission that says commissions. We're going to go ahead and click that box. And here you go. So there is multiple fields that we're going to be filling out to help accounting know what commissions was who and how much and etc. So what we're going to do, pretty self-explanatory. So what we're going to do, and make sure you complete all these fields. It will not allow you to submit your commission request without completing all the fields. So the first and last name, that is your name. Okay, the first and last name is your name, not the client's name. I've seen that happen before. We're going to have email. That's going to be your email. The commission amount. That's going to be how much commission that you personally charge the client. Now look very close in this section here. Do not include the $2.99 transaction fee. Okay, so put in the commission amount minus the transaction fee. So for example, if the commission, it was a $100,000 home and you were paid a 3% commission or $3,000, that is what you put in that section. Okay, just the commission. Do not include the transaction fee. Also, too, who's your mentor? It is a drop-down box putting, who you put your mentor in there. And that way, that helps them quickly give your mentor credit because your mentor gets paid the same time you do. Next, did you charge the client the $2.99 fee? There are certain situations in which we don't charge the fee by accident, or maybe you just wanted to pay that for your client. That is your discretion that we give our agents. If you did charge the fee, click the box. If you did not, click no. And what will happen is if you do not charge the $2.99 fee, it will be withheld from your commission as the agent. Next is the address of being sold. So 123 East Main Street, Columbus, Ohio, for example. Okay, now, this section here, you need to upload an image of your the commission check. But remember, most of the time we don't have commission checks, right? Sometimes that happens, all right? Sometimes we do get a situation where there is a check if it's a small title company. But most importantly, this is where you're going to put in your settlement statement. Now, make sure when you input your settlement statement, make sure it has the front page where it has the address and the names of the agents. But most importantly, make sure the page that has the commission amount gets attached. All you have to do is everyone will get a settlement statement via email from your title rep a day or two before closing. It's in a PDF form. Save it to your desktop and you can upload it here. So all you do is click the button, and then the settlement statement that was sent to you by the title rep like a day or two before close, you can just click it, and then it'll just upload it right to the commission request form. Any other instructions? Whatever you want to put in there. If there's something that was strange that happened, or if you didn't charge the $2.99 fee, you can also say, yes, I didn't charge the $2.99 fee, I understand, or whatever you'd like that would help the accounting know the situation. Once you do that, you just go ahead and hit send. Once you hit send, it will be sent to accounting. Then you'll get a confirmation email as well. So, well, congratulations. Congratulations on successfully having your first closing. That's probably why you're watching this video. So thanks again. We're really proud of you, and we are so happy you're here at ASHMONT Realty, and we will talk to you all very soon.